Staring at a crypto chart, having no idea what it means? TradingView is the go-to charting platform millions of traders use, and it actually is one of the easiest way for a complete beginner to start learning how to read and follow the crypto market. Before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Let's get to the video. All right, everyone. So if you ever want to get your trading game on, TradingView is the place to do it. But before we jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research, due diligence, and don't invest in anything you're not willing to lose. So let's take a look at TradingView. We can see that this has information from the whole world. Yes, indices, stocks, you name it, it's here. Community trends, what's going on with commodities, and of course, your favorite, Bitcoin. We can see what's going on in the crypto market. So we can see popular ones like Bitcoin or Ethereum. We can also click on them, see what's going on with them. So here, this will open it up. Now you can look at news, ETFs, markets, derivatives, all that, or you can also see a full chart. Now, what I like to call our candlesticks, we can actually see here. So we can adjust the indicators. This just shows the difference in time intervals. What do I mean by that? So we can see bars, we can see candles. This is when it was up and when it was down. So people call it spikes and dips, and we can adjust the candles as such. So there's different ways to change this around. We can do the columns, we can do the high and low. Some people like the Helenki Ashki. We can also do the line break here and change it up. Now, we can also set an alert on a watch list. So say I want to watch and see when that alert is coming through. Maybe I want to see when Bitcoin helps up. So this is really nice because it helps you keep everything organized, helps traders stay organized because you don't want to look at everything all day. So here you can just go ahead and set a watch list, and it makes it very simple. And it doesn't have to just be for Bitcoin. You can do it for stocks. You can do it for indices. You can do it everywhere here. So makes it very, very simple to do. And then what you can also do, if you come back here, that gives us a good way to look at everything, but we can take a look now at crypto. So what we can do is we have the different charts, we have the DeFi coins, we have the highest and lowest. I'm going to go ahead, come to markets, come to crypto, and come to the market cap charts. And here in the market cap charts, we can also get a breakdown. We can see the locked value, so we can actually see what's going on in the crypto market as well. So if we come to crypto market, then we can get an overview. So we can see what's happening with Bitcoin, where its dominance is at, where all the information is at. We can kind of see what's going on with the coin. So it gives us kind of, if you want a screener for one. We can also do that with Ethereum. So there's different ways to take a look at this. We can look at price. We can look at market cap. We can go ahead and look at volume. So we have the market capitalization, we have the trading volume. We can see what's going on here. We can see the news and everything else. So this is very, very simple to do. And if I want, I can go ahead, open up in full chart. So we can see the same things that we saw in Bitcoin here. We can see the fundamentals. We can see the technicals. We can see everything here that we need to. There's picks, we have indicators, strategies. I can come up with a script name, and I can see all the different chart patterns. We can also go ahead, just like I did before, take a look at the candles, the bars, and we can adjust this on the left and right hand side if we want to go ahead and do that.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm. You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRANKER and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
Now, we also have ways to search for different ones here. We can even take a snapshot in time. And we also have our watch list here, information about the community, the calendars, the pine, and the screener. So we can go ahead and screen right here. So instead of a stock screener, we can do crypto coin screener right here. And then we can adjust it. So I can do this by volume. and sort ascending, descending. I can also go ahead and open this up right here. So we can see baby doge. So I can take a look at the volume. I can sort by volume first, and then I can see what's going on there. And this is very, very helpful here. Now, if I want to add different things right here, different indicators, and I can for coin info, for RSI, it makes it very, very simple to do that. So I can do a stochastic RSI right here, and then I can take a look, was overbought, oversold, it's okay, overbought, oversold, and do that. So it's very, very simple. And we can also set price alerts right here. So say Bitcoin goes up, I can go ahead and set a price alert. And I can also add different filters. So you can add technicals, market data, info, sentiments, and everything here. So that is how I would go ahead and use. Now there's much more features that we could definitely cover. That is how I could go ahead and start trading. There's much more here, but make sure to adjust the candles, the information. And if you want to even explore back testing, you can use the Pine editor and strategy test to do that, which is an effective way. You can also create alerts right here in case we need a specific alert, then we're not going to miss that trade. So very, very simple to do. And that is TradingView in a nutshell. That's why I like it so much. It has a lot of different features that you can utilize and will make you a better trader. You just have to go ahead and get started, and you can do that here, which is pretty cool. You can just log in with Google and they have the different plans, or you just go ahead and sign up. So very simple to do. Boom, log in, and you're good to go. And that's how you can get your trading game on in a few minutes with TradingView. And there's so much more features to explore. We just explored the tiny tip of it. So get in there, look at what you like, whether it's crypto, whether it's stocks, whether it's indices, whether it's something there. Find the place where you want to trade it. You can look at the stock market, you can look at different countries, and you can also see what's going on with futures, stocks, Forex. It's all open. Now, none of this is financial advice. It is simply a starting point for learning to read the market. If you want to start following crypto like a pro, click the link in the description to try TradingView for yourself. And that is it for today's video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you.